So good morning friends. Now I will discuss the causes of cancer. The majority of cancers, some 90 to 95% of cases are due to environmental factors. The remaining 5 to 10% are due to inherited genetics. Common environmental factors that contribute to cancer death include tobacco 25 to 30%, diet and obesity 30 to 35%, infections 15 to 20%, radiation both ionizing and non-ionizing up to 10%, stress, lack of physical activity and environmental pollutants. So number 1, coming to chemicals. Exposure to particular substances has been linked to specific types of cancer. The substances are called carcinogens. Number 2, coming to diet and exercise. The diet, physical inactivity and obesity are related to up to 30 to 35% of cancer deaths. Physical inactivity is believed to contribute to cancer risk, not only through its effect on body weight but also through negative effects on the immune system and endocrine system. Number 3, coming to infection. Worldwide, approximately 18% of cancer deaths are related to infectious diseases. Viruses are the usual infectious agent that cause cancer. Number 4 is radiation. The radiation exposure, including both ionizing radiation and non-ionizing ultraviolet radiation, can also contribute to invasive cancer. Number 5, coming to heredity. The hereditary cancers are primarily caused by an inherited genetic defect. Less than 0.3% of the population are carriers of a genetic mutation that has a large effect on cancer risk, and these cause less than 3 to 10% of cancer. Next, I am coming to obesity. The obesity is a medical condition in which excess body fat has accumulated to the extent that it may have a negative effect on health. People are generally considered obese when their body mass index, means BMI, a measurement obtained by dividing a person's weight by the square of the person's height. Obesity increases the likelihood of various diseases, particularly heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, certain types of cancer, and osteoarthritis. As an overall impact, obesity leads to the reduced life expectancy. Next, coming to burden of disease. First is mortality. Obesity is one of the leading preventable cause of death worldwide. Grade 1 obesity, BMI 30 to 35, was not associated with higher mortality than normal weight, and that overweight BMI 25 to 30 was associated with lower mortality than was normal weight BMI 18.5 to 25. A BMI above 32 kg per meter square has been associated with a doubled mortality rate among women over a 16-year period. On average, obesity reduces life expectancy by 6 to 7 years. A BMI of 30 to 35 kg per meter square reduces life expectancy by 2 to 4 years, while severe obesity, where BMI is more than 40 kg per meter square, reduces life expectancy by 10 years. Next, coming to morbidity. The obesity increases the risk of many physical and mental conditions. These comorbidities are most commonly shown in metabolic syndrome, a combination of medical disorder which includes diabetes mellitus type 2, high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, and high triglyceride levels. Next, coming to the risk factors. Risk factors, there is 3 risk factors. First one is diet, number 2 is sedentary lifestyle, and number 3 is genetics. So first one is diet. The association between fast food consumption and obesity becomes more concerning. Obese people consistently underreport their food consumption as compared to people of normal weight. Extra food energy comes from an increase in carbohydrate consumption rather than fat consumption. The primary sources of these extra carbohydrate are sweetened beverages, consumption of sweetened drinks such as soft drinks, fruit drinks, iced tea, and energy and vitamin water drinks is believed to be contributing to the rising rates of obesity. Next is sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle plays a significant role in obesity. Worldwide, there has been a large shift towards less physically demanding work, and currently, at least 30% of the world's population gets insufficient exercise and are possibly due to mechanized transportation and a greater prevalence of labor-saving technology in the home. In children, there appear to be declines in levels of physical activity due to less walking and physical education in the school-based setting. Number 3 risk factor is genetics. So studies that have focused on inheritance pattern than on specific genes have found that 80% of the offspring of 2 obese parents were also obese. In contrast to less than 10% of the offspring of 2 parents who were of normal weight, different people exposed to the same environment have different risk of obesity due to their underlying genetics. So